This is Annabelle with InstaBiz Coach. We are in lesson 1 of how to set up a TikTok shop for your business. Again, TikTok Shop is the new Amazon, honestly. It's great because you can post videos with reviews. And where do you think those products are coming from? They're coming from stores. Businesses like yours, if you have a store where you sell bows, where you sell candles, where you sell t-shirts, if you're on Etsy, if you already are on Amazon, if you have a product that you sell, if you have a phone case that you sell, if you make notebooks, dive a little bit deeper of how TikTok Shop is working. So TikTok Shop, what it does is it allows for creators to add links to their videos. And that is the best concept because they want to keep the consumer always on their app. They always want to have them engaged and giving them multiple options and ways to purchase things. And TikTok Shop came right for Christmas and it's been doing great. There hasn't been any issues. At the beginning, there were some issues where maybe things were getting delayed or items weren't getting sent out on time, but now TikTok Shop has really tightened up and they want to make sure that things get sent out within 5 business days usually. So the TikTok Shop, this is how you'll start seeing TikTok Shops. If you don't have the TikTok app, please go and download it. Another great thing about TikTok Shop is that it's instant checkout almost. So they pretty much start helping you with your marketing initially. So they'll say if you have a product, let's say, I have a water bottle. This is $10. TikTok Shop is going to say, hey, can we give a little promo to some new buyers so that we can get some reviews for your product? And you're like, well, I don't have any marketing money. And they'll say, oh, don't worry about it. We're going to cover a part of it. So what they're doing is that they're doing almost like, let's say half. Oh, they'll pay $5 for the water bottle. So they'll pretty much cover that marketing fee or the So what they're doing is they're giving discounts to these creators. So if the creator wanted to buy the bottle for $10, you are giving them that promo for $5 off, 50% off. They think it's you and the business giving it, but it's actually TikTok giving you that incentive. You can even see how many sales the creator is doing for you. Once you get these creators selling some of your products, it's doing everything for you. That's why this marketplace is so amazing and why it's excelling so quickly, and it's only going to get bigger and bigger. So we need to get on it right now, learn the steps on setting it up, and then we can continue growing it as TikTok grows. So we're going to move on to the next section, which is how to set up a TikTok shop.